guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you. It's raining. It's raining so much. And you can see it's raining so much. I live in Governor right now. There's a roof. And I get so wet. But I'm going to be posting a part 2 of the rain video. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you in part 2.